So you want to learn to do the cha-cha basic, do you? Alright, let's get started. Alright everybody, welcome back to Dancing in My Bedroom, where we're going to learn how to do a simple ballroom or Latin basic in just a tiny space. That way you can practice anywhere. So let's jump right to it with the cha-cha, super famous sexy dance. So here's what we're going to do. Same thing as before. I'm going to zoom out, show my feet, and you're going to see how all these steps start. Ready? Let's do it. Alright, so starting with the leaders part, we're going to take our left foot. We're going to take a side step, because how I learned how to do cha-cha, you start on the 1 count, as opposed to doing the rock step first. So if you've seen this somewhere else, it's just a little bit more of an international style. Again, we're doing more of an American-based 1 count cha-cha. So we're going to take a side step to our left as the leader. We're going to take a side step, and again, followers, you can practice both parts because they're similar, they're identical. So we're going to take a side step for 1. Now, again, welcome to my polka dotted socks, by the way. We're going to take a back rock on our right foot. Rock, and I'm going to pick up our left foot, put it back down, step. This is called a rock step. And I'm going to do a little side, together, side. And again, just a real quick summation, a rock step is just a change of weight, forward or backwards, doesn't matter. It's just a change of weight with one of your feet going backwards or forwards slightly as you do it. It's like a marching step, but with your feet moving in a different direction, right? Alright, having said that, let's go back to the basic again. So we take a side step on 1. We rock step back on 2. We pick the left foot up, put it back down, that's 3. And then we do side, together, side. And then to continue the basic, we take our left foot, that's this guy. We rock forward on it, rock, step, and then we go back the other way we came. And this is our side, together, side. Now to show you again from the top, I'm going to count it both in numbers and in the more colloquial way that people dance it. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, now the other way that people often count it is 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 2, 3, cha cha cha. You might also hear rock step, cha cha cha, rock step, cha cha cha. All right, again, we always start on 1, like to make your dancing musical. So that's why I always take a little side rock, because that's your 1 count for the very first beat of the music, or of the phrase anyway. But don't worry about that. Alright, followers part is just a natural opposite. Really, it's more part mirror opposite, part natural opposite. So we're going to take our right foot instead. We're going to go to the side on our right foot, as opposed to the side on our left foot. So we're going to do side, rock, step, side, together, side, rock, step, side, together, side. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Yeah? So again, they're just kind of naturally moving against or away from each other depending on what steps you are doing. Alright? So you can do this to a lot of really fun Latin music. If you just Google cha-cha music, I'm sure you'll find a bunch of really cool stuff. Cha-cha is actually called, in other cultures, syncopated mambo. So it's good, if you're also not sure, you could also call it triple mambo if you're unsure. I'm sure you'll find some great cha-cha music. There's a lot of pop music you can do it to, and some classics as well. Alright, so from the side real quick, let's do the followers part again this way, and then we'll do the leaders part. So we're going to do a side rock. I'm sorry, scrap that. We're going to do a side step. Then we're going to rock forward on our left foot, 2, 3, and then side, together, side. Back rock on the right foot, 2, 3, side, together, side. Good. And then the leaders part, same thing, left foot goes to the side. As our follower's right foot goes to the side, we do side, back, rock, side, together, side, forward, rock, side, together, side, back, rock, and side, together, side. So there you have it. No matter if you're the leader or the follower, when you're practicing the basic, your right foot always rocks backwards and your left foot always rocks forwards during the 2, 3, or the rock steps that you hear us say. And then there you have it. That's the cha-cha basic. Pretty simple, pretty basic. But again, you can practice this in a small space, just like you saw here today. You can practice it just, if you're waiting in line for the bank or the bathroom. People might look at you weird when you're doing it, but that's okay. The more you get used to it, the more places you can practice, the better. Might even start up a good conversation if you're looking to meet some new friends. Try doing cha-cha while you're waiting in line at Walmart or whatever other grocery stores you have locally. Piggly Wiggly, that's a thing, right? Yeah, pretty sure that's a place. It's not just something I heard in a dream once. So there you go. And again, if you like this, if you're looking to learn some more cha-cha or some more Latin dancing in general, this is going to be part of a playlist. I do have another video where I am teaching you the rumba basic. Again, the whole idea is to teach you some basic steps in a small space. That way you can practice anywhere. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can just feel free to make a video response and tell me that I suck at this. I don't know. I'm just here to help you have a more fun, healthy, and exciting life. That way you can have more cool things to do and maybe meet some new friends while you're at it. Other than that, I've been Adam. You guys are awesome. There's my nasal spray. Forgot to do my last couple. Almost missed my nose. And I'll see you soon.